Infrastructure Australia slams Victorian Suburban Rail Loop, a costly gamble with questionable benefits. The Victorian government's ambitious Suburban Rail Loop (SRL) project, a cornerstone of its transport infrastructure vision, is facing a major setback. Infrastructure Australia (IA), the nation's independent infrastructure advisor, has delivered a scathing assessment, questioning the project's economic viability and raising serious concerns about significant cost overruns. The IA's report, publicly released on Friday but reportedly delivered to the Albanese government before its February commitment of $2.2 billion, casts a long shadow over the already contentious $34.5 billion project. The report's central criticism centers on the Victorian government's inflated claims regarding the benefits of the SRL East section, the first phase of this massive undertaking. A thorough analysis concludes that the purported economic advantages have been significantly overstated, leaving a considerable gap between projected returns and the colossal investment required. This discrepancy raises fundamental questions about the project's value for money, prompting calls for a comprehensive reassessment. The IA's concerns extend beyond inflated benefit claims to encompass the highly probable risk of substantial cost blowouts. The report strongly suggests that the current $34.5 billion price tag for the first section alone is a gross underestimate, hinting at the potential for runaway costs that could cripple the project and strain the nation's already stretched budget. This alarming prediction underscores the inherent uncertainties surrounding the SRL's overall financial feasibility. This critical assessment by IA has far-reaching implications, going beyond mere financial scrutiny. It raises profound questions about the Victorian government's project management capabilities and its commitment to transparent and realistic cost projections. The lack of a robust and credible cost-benefit analysis, according to the report, leaves the federal government in a precarious position, vulnerable to footing the bill for significant cost overruns without a clear understanding of the project's true value. The IA's recommendation is stark: a complete halt to further federal funding until a credible updated cost estimate and a rigorous, independently verified cost-benefit analysis are produced. This decisive call demands a thorough reevaluation of the project's foundation, urging the Victorian government to provide irrefutable evidence supporting its claims and demonstrating the project's long-term viability. The report's release has reignited the debate surrounding the SRL, transforming it from a political talking point into a major economic and infrastructural conundrum. The potential for significant taxpayer funds to be misallocated on a project with questionable economic returns is a serious concern. This necessitates a meticulous review process, ensuring that all aspects of the project are transparently evaluated and that any future funding decisions are based on sound evidence, not on inflated projections or political expediency. This situation underlines the critical importance of robust independent infrastructure assessments, such as those provided by IA. These assessments serve as crucial safeguards, ensuring that billions of taxpayer dollars are invested wisely and that major infrastructure projects deliver real, tangible benefits to the Australian public. The SRL's future now hangs in the balance, contingent upon the Victorian government's ability to convincingly address the serious concerns raised by Infrastructure Australia and provide a credible case for continued investment. The stakes are high, and the nation waits to see if the project can weather this storm of criticism. The implications of this decision extend far beyond the SRL itself, shaping the future of major infrastructure projects in Australia and emphasizing the crucial need for rigorous financial planning and transparent governance.